Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the top 10 Japanese phrases you absolutely need to know. Let's get started! Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you very much. It's a heartfelt way to express gratitude. Sumimasen, excuse me, is perfect for getting someone's attention politely. Eigo o hanasemasu ka? Do you speak English? Is essential for travelers. Wakarimashita, I understand. Shows you're engaged in the conversation. Daijoubu desu, it's okay, reassures others in any situation. O saki ni shitsurei shimasu, excuse me for leaving first, is a polite way to exit. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu, nice to meet you, is a warm greeting when meeting someone new. Gomen nasai, I'm sorry, expresses sincere apologies. Tanoshimi ni shite imasu, I'm looking forward to it, conveys excitement for upcoming events. And finally, oishii, delicious, is a must when enjoying Japanese cuisine. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these phrases helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more language tips.